Hi guys, today I'll be taking you through how I create my presentations using just two tools, that is Doc and Canva. This is super fast, especially if you're someone who doesn't have so much time to sit down and maybe shoot a video. And if you notice, my recent videos have all been in presentation styles. So today I'm exactly going to show you how I make this type of presentations that you can download as a PDF or PowerPoint. Super fast and easy. So first things first, you're going to have your content ready. So for this example, I'll just grab one of my blog posts. I'm going to choose this blog post on open source. So I'll just go to it, edit. However, you can use Google Docs if you have your content already in Google Docs, but I'll just grab this. I'll come here and I'll copy this entire blog post. So after copying it, I'll head over to canva.com. If you don't have an account, be sure you create an account for free. And so here I'm already signed in. So I'll come here and go to Doc. And then I'll paste everything that I copied here in the Doc. So you can just go over it. The title is missing. So let me just go back and copy the title again, which is how to contribute to open source projects. That's the title for the document. So I'll just copy it and paste it there. So now you can see all your content is in a Doc. So what you're going to do is we want to change this document into a presentation. So there is this option of magic switch. I'll click on it and then convert to presentation. Don't share again and then get started. And then here, Canva will automatically choose for you some styles, as you can see. This is the first one. You can look at the second one, whichever you like. So I like the second one, so I'll just choose it, click on it, and then I click on create my presentation. So you can see here is how your presentation looks. However, you have your own style of branding, your own favorite colors. So to do that, I'll just head over to styles, and then here you can see already some styles. If you're using Canva Pro, you can create your brands. You can add your brand style here. So for now, I'll just choose currently available brand style, which I normally use. And that's what exactly I'm going to show you. So I'll just come here and then click on it. I'll go on the first slide, and I will simply click on it, refresh, click to refresh. And then once you pick the one that you like, that you feel is better, you can just click here, apply to all changes. And now here you can make a few adjustments, like in the headings, to make it look a little better or bigger. And then you can increase the fonts to maybe 35. And then some of these things, when you're presenting, you might not need to talk them, so you can just put them and add them somewhere in notes. So I'll just remove this and then add it to notes in case you need to present it as well. I paste it there and then adjust this. So when we go to the next slide, you can see you can just do the same thing. Adjust. If you want to add a picture, you go to elements and then just type for a picture that matches that particular slide. For example, project. You can use graphics or choose picture. So I can choose that, and then I make this here and then put that here, and then go back here, click on it, go to design, and then just click on the color you've chosen, and this will automatically pick up the color palette that you're using. You can adjust this to the way that you want and increase the font size. Adjust to your desired size, and you repeat this for all the other pages and modify them accordingly. And now let us see how our presentation looks. So I'll go back to first slide, and then when I click on present, I'll choose full screen and then click on present. And here is our presentation. So when I go to next, you can see next, 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 next. So be sure you just have to go through it and customize it to whatever you want. And then here is the final slides. And thank you so much for watching.